This is not a resort. This is a hotel in a local island. What's up guys? I'm in Fulhadhoo Island this time in Baa Atoll. Join me this weekend cause I did not expect it to be this good. Look at this. The trip will start from the airport with a beautiful scenic journey with the seaplane. After around 45 minutes flight, I finally landed in this beautiful paradise. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you. Very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. This is Island Luxury Boutique Hotel. It's a boutique style property with a peaceful vibe. Before going to check the room, the chef came to check if I have any food allergy or any food I cannot tolerate, which is quite a good service from this guest house.
Yeah. And your breakfast is here. I'm sorry.
Look at this room, guys, and the service is excellent. We have here towels, umbrellas, and I guess this is a laundry bag. And here we have life jackets for people to go snorkeling. The details are amazing. When you think it can't get any better, look at this. There's a swing here in front of the room, a restaurant, and a beautiful pool. And it's beachfront. Look how beautiful is the outside shower. So this will be our home in the weekend. This is exactly how I wanted the weekend to start. Tonight, I'm having a candlelight dinner on the beach, and the setup looks incredible. One thing I love here is how much attention they put into the food and presentation. They're preparing for the breakfast now. Good morning. How are you today?
Well, thank you.
We have different kinds of bread already. We have spreads, yogurt, cheese, a lot of things. This is everyone's favorite, masuni. Okay, chef. So many fruits. Live station for egg. There we go. We're heading out now for snorkeling on a nearby reef. The water looks super clear, so I'm so excited to see what we'll find. Just a few minutes in the water and I could not believe my eyes. Dolphins! This is the first time I snorkel with dolphins, and believe me, it's such a heartwarming moment. And because I don't get enough of water, I went snorkeling in front of the guest house. The sunset is incredible and even baby sharks come here. From the snorkeling directly to the dinner, they grilled for us the fish the boys caught. Fulhadhoo is a beautiful big island in Baa Atoll, and there's only around 200 people living in here. So it's very calm and friendly and lush and everything beautiful. It's my last morning here, so I'm exploring Fulhadhoo a bit more. Look at this. Oh my god! Wow, the sea. Look at the sea, how clear it is. There's so much sun. It's beautiful. Look at this. You have to come to this island, guys. I know I say that about each and every island, but this one is huge. This island alone is 2 kilometers long. Look what I found. So beautiful. People can come here, bring with them water, some food if they want, some drinks. Even if they don't bring and they want something, they can just call their guest house and they will bring it to them. Okay, look at this. In the middle of nowhere. This is like the island has just a small part of it that has houses and hotels and everything. This part is only beach, trees, and they did this. People can sit here in the shade, eat, stay here, go for a swim here. That's really nice. When are you coming here, guys? That's so beautiful. It deserves it. The hotel is nice, the food is good, the staff are very friendly, details are there, the reef is beautiful, around here is beautiful, the lagoon is amazing. That's just paradise. So tell me guys in a comment what you think about this island. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more adventure. See you next time. This is it. We're saying goodbye to this beautiful island. Before heading back to Male, I just want to say this weekend was exactly what I needed. Great food, peaceful beaches, and such a relaxing vibe. If you're looking for a quiet escape in the Maldives, Fulhadhoo should be on your list. That wraps up my weekend getaway. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Maldives adventure. Tell me in the comment what you would like to see next. See you next time.